Well, hello everybody. Today we are doing a local SEO audit, a Google My Business audit for a bankruptcy attorney. So that's a local SEO audit, Google My Business audit for a bankruptcy attorney. And we're focusing on small business marketing in the internet age. Okay, well, let's go ahead. I'll share my screen with the information. Fine. So we did a deep dive into this website, Makalotti and Associates. They are bankruptcy attorneys, immigration attorneys, and real estate attorneys. And it's a nice looking website. It appeals nicely, but it does not have enough words again. That's one of the biggest issues going forward with Google, is that they're looking at the EAT protocol that they're putting in place. Wants you to be the expert, and it must be readable, and it must be useful content. So I did an on-page scan, and yeah, the couple of issues here immediately is that the title is too long, and that's an issue because of mobile. Between 60 and 70% of searches comes from mobile. So yes, that's too many. And then your meta description, that's fine. And then the big issue here, 171 words on your front page. Not at all enough to rank this page in your community for bankruptcy attorney or real estate attorney or an attorney or immigration attorney. Okay, there are 26 backlinks. That also needs to be improved. And yeah, so your readability score is average. So when you want to make sure that it's a grade 6, grade 7 rate of reading or reading clarity. So you'll see H1, H2 tags are missing. This is a very big issue, easy to fix, but a big issue, because it's one of the things where the Google Spider finds your website. Duplication of H1 is an issue because it confuses the ranking. Some image tags found about 5 images without tags, all stuff that needs to be done and fixed up. So all in all, there's a quite a bit of work that needs to be done on the website to get it SEO ready and SEO optimized so that it can rank better. Then I went on, I found 2 Google My Business listings there for you. I'd ran bankruptcy attorney, and this gives us an indication of how you rank within your immediate area. So let's say a 4-5 mile radius. And as you can see, as a Google My Business, right at your office, you're number 6. So it means you do not appear in that in the 3-pack. So there's some optimization that needs to happen there. And well, let's look at your Butterfield Road listing there and see how you rank. Okay, so here are a couple of spots where you're number 3 on the actual grid. So in number 3, you'll get, let me show you here. If I do bankruptcy attorney, and this is for Oak Brook in that area, I'm going to grab the top 20. And, okay, so okay, there's Peter Francis. He's got an advert running, but the number 1 for that bankruptcy attorney actually has got divorce lawyer in his category as his main category, law offices of Nicholas Nelson. Then it's Peter Francis, then it's Cutter and Associates. And what this tells us here is that Nicholas Nelson, for the term bankruptcy attorney, will get 45% of the clicks, the people who land on that page, to his business, to his office. Peter Francis, 25%, and Cutter and Associates, 4.5% basically of the clicks will go through. And then it goes down. I see Peter Francis was multiple offices in here. And on number 10, we've got Michelotti and Associates. So that is overall is a position that needs to be improved. That's a 0.08 of people might click through to your business or call you from this. Your listing seems to be fairly nicely optimized, but there are external factors that needs to be added. The regularity of I see you've got 9 posts. That needs to be at least 3 a week, and keywords and serious content. You need to get at least 1,500 words a month added to your website in keyword related content, legal focused content, your services, the bankruptcy lawyer, that attorney, that needs to have at least 1,500 words in explanation. So all in all, there's quite a bit of search engine optimization or local search engine optimization and Google My Business optimization that needs to be done on this website. It's nice looking, you have a good foundation, and basically doing these changes will help you to start ranking much faster or much better. And in your business, you get a let me stop share. It's a high ticket client, so it's well worth your time and effort or to invest in somebody who can actually get you up there, because you've got good reviews and so you'll be well received. It's just getting it in front of enough people to actually grow your 2 offices. That's Tony for a bankruptcy attorney, real estate attorney, a local SEO, and Google My Business SEO audit. Have a super day.